You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly, even though, well, I'm afraid there are different pronunciations. It means God is gracious. It's a name of Slavic origin, so Eastern Europe. Ivanna. In Russian be said Ivana. English pronunciation Ivanna. Ivanna. Some say it Ivana rather. How do you pronounce it yourself? Where do you put the stress on which syllable? Do you know any Ivana? Ivanas? Let us know in the comments. Let everybody know. Ivanna is the most common English pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.